Speeches and debates in a MUN. How to make a great opening speech. 1. Hook. The beginning of a speech should grab your audience's attention. It should give your audience a reason to listen to you, otherwise they won't. An attention-grabbing introduction is often called a hook. There are many different types of hooks, but here are a few common ones that work well in Model UN. Question. Asking the audience a question is often an easy way to get their attention. Example. Do you think it is possible for us to live in a world without poverty? The people of my country think so. We believe we can achieve the end of poverty. Quote. A quote engages the audience when they recognize the figure you're quoting. Example. 50 years ago, United States President John F. Kennedy said, "Ask not what your country can do for you, but what you can do for your country." Today, ask not what the world can do for you, but what you can do for the world. Statistic. A statistic can grab an audience's attention if it is surprising or interesting. Example. Over 1 billion people around the world live on less than $1.25 a day. Over 1 billion people live in extreme poverty. Story. A story is the oldest form of communication and, if told well, can certainly grab an audience's attention. But speeches in MUN are typically very short, so keep the story brief. Example. Several years ago in rural Pakistan, a girl was walking to school when a gunshot rang out, and she was shot in the head. But that girl survived, and today she fights for girls' right to education around the world. That girl's name was Malala. 2. Point. The point is the purpose of your speech. It is the reason why you're speaking. Once you have your audience's attention, you should deliver your point. In opening speeches in MUN, the point is to state your country policy on the topic. Then offer 2-3 reasons explaining why your country had adopted this policy. 3. Call to action. Good speeches end with a call to action, which is when you tell your audience to go and do something. Your call to action is your specific solution to the problem. Example. To provide universal access to education, Korea proposes the creation of an international fund called Education for All that will support 3 programs in developing countries, building more schools, training new teachers, and preventing girls from dropping out of school. We call upon the international community to create and donate to this fund so we can guarantee education as a right globally. Thank you for watching Smart Diplomats Model UN training.